This episode is going to cover the repair and refinish of a 1995 Acura. The vehicle came to us with damage to the front end on both fenders and the hood. We also had clear coat damage. Michael Dinkle was doing the work to the vehicle. He removed both fenders, the back hatch, and the wing. He then sanded the vehicle down with a 180 grit sandpaper and then 400 to get it ready for painting. The vehicle was primed with a PPG corrosion-resistant primer. After the primer was applied, the vehicle was block sanded for any imperfections in the surface. The back hatch and wing was painted separately. Then the black color coat was applied. After the color coat, 3 layers of Nasson clear coat was applied. After the clear coat dried, the vehicle was then reassembled. After the vehicle was reassembled, the cut and buff process began. Now the vehicle is ready to be delivered back to the customer. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe and like our page to see more from Georgetown Technical College Automotive Collision and Refinish.